I'm gonna go ahead and make some cookies tonight. So I think I'm making molasses crinkles. That's what I think I have the ingredients for. But who knows? You know me and cooking. It's like definitely a hysterical comedy.
If we haven't met, I'm Allison, and I love creating a variety of content. I post a video each week, and sometimes I take you along on my travels as a flight attendant, and other times we stay closer to home as I cook up some comedy in the kitchen. Don't waste the sun is my motto, and I would love to have you all come along. So like and subscribe, hit that bell notification at the top of the page, and let's get baking.
It says it only makes 12 cookies, so I might double this, but I'm gonna actually do 12 cookies first to see if I didn't like them. Not like I've ever had a cookie that I didn't like them. So we have to be really careful with my measuring spoons. As you know, my teaspoons and my tablespoons both have large teeth, which throws me off every time. When I was a kid, the teaspoons always had a small teeth. You know how you grow up and you just think that things are the way they are, and then you learn that like they're not all that way. That's one of them. This is not cinnamon. I almost did this. Oh my gosh. Cinnamon, cloves. You know the one we're missing is ginger. So what I normally do when I don't have a spice, I just use like an extra one of the allspice. I don't really know if that's like a thing, but it's my thing. So we're gonna do that.
Please jingle with me, baby. I wanna get to know you better. Please jingle with me, darling. How much fun it's gonna be. Now listen, why do I care how much it may snow? 'Cause I've got my love to keep me warm. And what do I care?
I thought this was kind of interesting. I just read this on here. Molasses was a popular traded item in New England to make rum. You may have heard of the Great Molasses disaster in Boston that occurred after a storage tank collapsed on January 15th, 1919, sending more than 2 million gallons flowing through the city's north end. Traveling at approximately 35 miles per hour, it destroyed several city blocks, leveling buildings and damaging automobiles. In the end, 21 people were killed, many of whom were suffocated by the syrup. Cleanup efforts lasted for weeks, and Boston reportedly continued to smell like molasses for years afterwards. While warmer weather could have caused the molasses to be less vicious, the winter weather temperatures made the syrup thicker. Wow, who knew? Molasses, a deadly weapon. We are now going to make our cookies, but I had no idea about the Great Molasses flood. I started making these cookies like around 7, so it's been like an hour. Yeah, I'm gonna clean up a little bit.
Jingle them bells and frolic. Oh, by gosh, some stolly. Eggnog, gin and tonic make Yuletide gay and jolly. Same procedure every year. I just can't get enough. I drink till Rudolph reappears. A toast to him, that red-nosed dear. Jingle them bells and frolic. It's the best day of the year.
I wonder how they taste without the ginger. I wonder if they're okay. Okay, these are good. You know what? I think they're totally fine with the allspice. Thanks guys for making cookies with me. That was so much fun. It feels cozy in here, and I'm gonna enjoy the tree now and watch a Christmas movie. Christmas is in less than a week right now, and I'm so excited. I have really enjoyed bringing you guys along for the Christmas season. If you can, drop me like your name in the comments. Tell me like what your favorite Christmas movie is, and your favorite Christmas song. I'm gonna share one of my favorite movies at Christmas time. It's called The Perfect Gift. And then I also have the song Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer and Frosty the Snowman mixed up in the Kenny G style. I absolutely adore that rendition and I love that. So that makes it feel like the holidays for me. Let me know what you guys like. Didn't have any disasters. There wasn't that much comedy in the kitchen, right? I mean, we did learn about the Great Molasses Flood and I did not expect us to be learning anything about that. So that was fascinating to me. But I hope you guys have a wonderful night. I hope you guys take care and have a wonderful Christmas. Love you all so much. Thank you. Bye.